Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 101, our course, and we are in home, which is our class bulletin board. What do we have on our bulletin board? Well, first up at the top, we have Welcome to 101, learn all about this class. This is the video orientation to our course that I had posted in the first week. I'm going to keep it posted for this week if you want to review what we're doing in English 101. I also have a link to week 2 in modules, which is our class Bible. All of our assignments are in here. And for April 15th through the 21st, 2019, we have discussion 2, the annotated outline and MLA quizzes. So we're going to begin scaffolding or building our research paper with the annotated outline. Okay, I'm going to remind you that our research paper topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? And we are beginning to write it immediately. Okay, I'm going to click on syllabus, and then I'm going to click on instructor and course information here so that you're aware of all my contact information and how to reach me. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox, and you're never ever bothering me if you email me. I love to hear from you. I care deeply about your learning. If something is unclear, you need to teach me how to make it clear to you. Okay, I'm going to click on home, and I'm going to wish us a great week. Okay, let's get started clicking on week 2 in modules.